In this video, we're going to work out the average value of f within this domain. So the first step is to have an understanding of what's going on. So when you look at this function, you've got three independent variables. So in your mind, picture a machine where you input three independent variables, x, y, and z, and then it will spit out a capital F. So what that means is your domain, your 3D space represents your domain. So for example, if you're at 1, 1, and 1, so when you input 1, 1, and 1, it would be 1 times 1 times 1. That will be equal to 1. So this capital F here, you've got to imagine a new axis, capital F, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. At this precise, at this domain here, at this 1, 1, 1, it will spit out a value of 1 times 1 times 1. It will spit out a value of 1. And our job here in this video is to find the average value of this within this domain. So the way we find the average value would be for us to work out the triple integral of this function x, y, and z, dx, dy, dz. X equals, you're integrating from x equals 0 to 3, 0 to x equals 3, and then regarding the y, you're doing it from y equals 0 to y equals 2, and then z would be from 0 to 4, from 0 to 4, from 0 to 4. So this, whatever this represents, the whole triple integral, once you've got the whole integral, then you've got to divide it by the volume of your 3D domain. So this would be 3 times 4 would be 12 times 2 here. So the whole volume here is 24. So divided by 24. Then this would then give you your average value within the average value of f within this domain here. Okay, so the average value is given by this triple integral divided by 24. So the average value is given by this. The average value is given by this. So now it's just a matter of us computing this. So looking at the inner integral, integrate it with respect to x. So that would be x squared over 2. X squared over 2 from 0 to from 0, hang on, I've made a silly mistake, from 0 to 3, from 0 to 3, and then you would put this into here. That would give you 9, and when you put 0 into here, the whole thing would be 0. So that will then take us to here. So now, so now integrate it with respect to y. So if you look at the next integral, look at this, and then integrate it with respect to y. So that would be y squared over 2. Integrate it, it will give you this thing here, from 0 to 2, from 0 to 2, and then put 2 into here. That will give you 4, cancels out, that will give you 9z. If you put 0 into here, it will be 0. So that will then take us to here, and then integrate it with respect to z, and then it's blah blah blah, the average value is given by this. Okay.